So we got here a Starbucks, Carl's Jr., which I'm surprised by, Burger King. That's in Nana Plaza. But I wanted to take a video because of this cool looking building up here. I probably have taken a video of this building before, but it's been a year, over a year and a half, I think, since I've been over here. We're going to Bangkok Baking Company to eat at, because Omni's near, Omni where we're staying, or the Airbnb is near it. So here's the Bangkok Baking Company, but I just really quickly wanted to get this building, what I can of it anyway. There we go. Cool looking building. Alrighty, going to go into Bangkok Baking Company and get some, not Italian soda though. It's at the Marriott, the JW Marriott in Bangkok.